Hello, my foodies family.
Welcome to another fresh new vlog of mine. Today I have come to JLT in Dubai to explore a restaurant called Thal, which is famous for their huge thal. Very famous for this. I've seen some reels, I've seen some vlogs. Seeing that I've come over here, I didn't go inside yet. I'll go inside. We are a group of 5 friends with family. We have come over here. Let's explore Thal and I'll give you all the details about the food, the location and everything. Keep watching till the end.
The restaurant specializes in the Bori Thal, a communal dining tradition that is both hearty and soul satisfying. It offers a delightful glimpse into the flavors of Bori cuisine. You can see here their menu card, and the traditional Bori Thal consists of these things. They also have a separate thal for children, and this is what we are going to order for us. But first, let's go outside and explore. So this is located in JLT, and just in front of the restaurant there is a play area. So if you're coming with kids, don't worry, they have enough space to entertain themselves. So I plan to come here with 4 other friends of mine. Here is Sharmila and Sonali along with my husband and Sharmila's husband. Here is Tanushri. We all arrived. Me and Meeta were the first one to arrive. And the boys started telling us that why do always girls get to get pictures. So it was boys' turn to click pictures. And here we go inside, and here comes our thal. This 33-inch thal is packed with incredible flavors. They have both veg and non-veg option. It comes with 3 starter, 2 salad, mains, breads, biryani and dessert. The best part is you can customize the thal according to your preference. For just 75 AED, this is an experience you shouldn't miss, and that's why we are also here. After seeing a reel and a vlog, we thought we must go there so that we must try and see how does the thal look. The price is 75 AED, but that's for one portion. We went with a group of 5 families, so we took 5 portion, 2 veg and 3 non-veg. At Thal, they promote the culture of dining together over the 33-inch thal, celebrating the simple joys of life, being together and eating together. Just look at us, isn't it wonderful? Here I am panning my camera and asking my friends how they are liking the food or not, and each one of them gave me a positive feedback about the taste. There was no compromise with the taste, I tell you.
How my plate
But
looks,
initially there was a
raita,
confusion about the
shole,
order we have to place,
paneer,
because
some
seeing a
starter,
reel came there
another
and we
starter,
thought
dal
that one
makhani,
thal costs
and this is
75
paratha, and there
dirhams,
is
which is
some
not
rice.
true. The price 75 dirhams is for one portion, and the owner made us very clear that one portion may not be enough for a family of 3. So he suggested it's better for a family of 3 you at least take 2 portion. But we decided that since we were family of 5 and we took 5 thal and we took roti and rice extra, that was enough for us. This is my plate and let me taste the food. Here, this is the paneer and the paratha. It was delicious. There was no compromise in taste, I tell you. Here is the extra rice, and you can see how everybody is busy eating. Look at them. And this is my messy plate. Look how we finished that full thal. Now you can see the empty plates over here, right?
क्या करते हैं, झूठा झूठा खाना मुझे देते हैं और मैं खाती हूँ और बोलते हैं बहुत खाते हो, बहुत खाते हो,
150 ग्राम में नाली लगता है 150 ग्राम
देखो ये पूरा आधा है, देखा देखा देखो देखो कुछ भी नहीं है, नथिंग।
পাহি ঠিক করে খাচ্ছে পাহি ইজ এ গুড গার্ল
ही इज वेरी भाई
আমি খালি হাড্ডি খাচ্ছি
जाऊं तो बात
গুড
আর এর চিকেন গুলো সব খেয়ে ফেলেছে আমার বর। Thali is done. Yeah.
After we were done eating, here came our Shahi Tukda, and I served it just to shoot this video. And I was explaining them that per family you'll get just one Shahi Tukda. So you have to share it with your husband and your son or daughter. Here Pai is taking her first share, and everybody was looking which one is the bigger one, which one is the bigger one. Somebody was looking for the smaller one. My husband was looking for the smaller one because he is the only one who will eat sweet, that's why.
सच में नाइस।
And this is our bill, 433 dirhams.
Overall, it was good.
Yeah, good.
Actually, you have to know that per family we have per family. So everybody, bye bye. So how was the thal?
Very tasty.
It was bye bye bye. Bagwati, your Bagwati is walking with bag. Oh, look at him! Look at him. Out of this thal restaurant, there was some confusion with the portions that we had from after watching that reel. And to tell you truly, we loved the food. The food quality and the taste was awesome. What we didn't like was seeing that reel. We had a confusion that one thal is 75 dirhams, but it was not. Come here. You have to order per portion. So we ordered 5 portion. Along with that, we ordered rice and roti. So that was enough. And as we ordered 5 portion, that's why we got 5 shahi tukda. So that was fair enough. Our tummy is full. We didn't overeat. The food quality was good. But if you're coming for the thal, remember, talk to the owner, talk to the person who is serving you, that how much will be the amount and what will be the price, so to avoid any confusion. Don't follow any random reel or vlog and just come and order like that. Talk to them what we did. I hope you like watching the video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.